Hello, this is Sonu, and you are listening to Stock Market News on the Go. Here's what's cooking. First things first, the Indian benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty. It is the day's gains to end lower Thursday afternoon, tracked by selling in FMCG, IT, and pharma stocks. The Sensex ended 80 points lower at 48,000 levels, while Nifty eased 8.90 points to close at 14,135 levels. Broader indices Nifty Small Cap 100, Nifty Mid Cap 100 outperformed the benchmarks, ending over 1% higher each. Buying was seen in metals, realty, PSU banks, and financial stocks. Titan was the top loser in Sensex pack, shedding around 2%, followed by Nestle India. HUL, HCL Tech, Infosys, ITC, and Kotak Bank. On the other hand, Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, and L&T were among the gainers. After the US Democrats won the Georgia Senate, global cues were positive in the morning trade. Afternoon trade, however, saw profit tanking in FMCG stocks, despite which we saw a close above 48,000 led by financials and metals. Elsewhere in Asia, bosses in Shanghai, Tokyo, and Seoul ended on positive note, while Hong Kong was in red. Stock exchanges in Europe were largely trading with gains in early deals. Meanwhile, the global oil benchmark Brent crude was trading 0.02% lower at $54.29 per barrel. Well, we had a very choppy market today, which is good for option sellers. Having said that, it's a wrap for me today. This is Sonu signing off.